Hi everybody, I am James the Man's Man, and welcome to another fun, exciting... No, today's not an episode of The Man's Kitchen. Today is me simply telling you that I am sorry I did not have the time over the last few days to shoot the videos for the two challenges that were on last week's MasterChef Junior. If you're new to this channel, that's what I'm doing right now, is I'm following MasterChef Junior, and I am reproducing their pressure test, or their elimination challenge, however you want to call it. I'm doing that at home, and I do not have the time to do last week's two. They did, one was a egg yolk stuffed ravioli, and the other one was chocolate. Just at the restaurant that I run, we are too busy this week. We picked up a small contract to cater a factory basically that's on shutdown for a week and a half while they retool and clean up for the year. So we have to cater to all their support staff, and it's about 80 people ahead, and it's just taking my time away from being able to shoot these videos. Basically, I had a choice of work, family, and YouTube. So obviously family takes priority over YouTube, and that's what I'm doing. Hopefully this weekend I can get back on track if I have a little bit of time. And for those of you that are newly subscribed to this channel, there's all kinds of older videos at the beginning for you to take a look at. If you're new, if you've been around and seen everything, just hang on tight and I'll have some stuff for you next week. In the meantime, I hope everybody hits like and subscribe. And thank you all, and have yourselves a good weekend.